Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha narrated that Prophet Mohammad S.A.W. used to perform 11 rakah units of prayer between the Isha and Fajr prayers. After every 2 rakah, he would give salutation, and then he would pray 1 rakah of witr. In these voluntary prayers, Prophet ﷺ would prolong the prostration to such an extent that one could recite 50 verses before he raised his head. When the Muazzin, caller of prayer, announced the Fajr prayer, Prophet ﷺ was informed about the prayer, and he would conclude his voluntary night prayers. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha narrated that Prophet ﷺ used to supplicate in his prayers saying, O Allah, I seek refuge with you from the punishment of the grave, from the trials of the false Antichrist, and from the trials of life and death. O Allah, I seek refuge with you from sins and from being in debt. When someone asks, why do you frequently seek refuge with Allah from being in debt? Prophet ﷺ replied, when a person is in debt, he tells lies and breaks promises. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23482.